G'day and welcome to beautiful Yamba. I'm Dave, this is Dave Does Oz.
I stayed at Calypso Holiday Park in Yamba. A nice place. It was very crowded. There was a hot rod show that weekend, and the spaces, the sites are very close together, so it was a little bit crowded. The shops are very nearby. I especially recommend the Wobbly Chook. Good food, nice craft beers. I caught up with friends John and Hilda, and we did the ferry ride across the Clarence River to Iluka for lunch, which was very nice.